Welcome to today's session on the Introduction to AI Tools in Digital Marketing, a topic that is fundamentally reshaping how we connect with audiences in the modern era. As we begin, it is important to recognize that artificial intelligence is no longer just a futuristic concept but a practical, daily necessity for any marketer looking to maintain a competitive edge. Throughout this presentation, we will explore how AI shifts the marketing paradigm from broad, generalized campaigns to hyper-personalized experiences driven by real-time data and predictive analytics. We will dive into the specific categories of tools that are currently leading the industry, from generative AI used for high-velocity content creation and automated video production to sophisticated machine learning algorithms that optimize ad spend and forecast consumer behavior with incredible accuracy. As we dive into the core technologies driving the current digital landscape, we have to talk about large language models, or LLMs. These aren't just fancy chatbots, they are the engines behind modern content creation, customer service, and market research. Starting with the most recognizable name, OpenAI has set the pace with ChatGPT and their powerful APIs, including the GPT-4 series, which marketers use for everything from high-level reasoning to complex coding tasks. Then we have Claude, which has gained a massive following for its safety-first approach and its ability to handle very long documents with incredible nuance. For those of you already integrated into the Google ecosystem, Gemini, formerly known as Bard, is a game-changer because it pulls real-time information directly into your Google Workspace. Similarly, Microsoft Copilot has brought this power into the tools we use every day, like Word and Excel, allowing for instant data analysis and drafting. We also cannot overlook Meta AI, which is bringing multimodal capabilities, meaning both text and images, directly to the social platforms where our audiences live. Let's look at 5 essential tools that should be in your digital marketing toolkit. First up is Perplexity. Think of this as your instant research assistant. Unlike a traditional search engine that gives you a list of links, Perplexity synthesizes information from across the web to provide direct, cited answers. Next, we have a Notebook LM and a Copilot Notebook. These are game changers for information management. Notebook LM is fantastic for quick summarization. You can feed it complex white papers or long-form reports, and it will help you extract the key insights instantly. Similarly, Copilot Notebook acts as a centralized hub. It brings your chats, files, meeting notes, and web links into one workspace. Similarly, SimilarWeb is the industry gold standard. It allows us to peek behind the curtain of our competitors. We can analyze their website traffic, see where their audience is coming from, and understand exactly which channels, be it search, social, or referrals, are driving their growth. Finally, we have BrandWatch. Research isn't just about numbers, it's about sentiment. BrandWatch uses AI and machine learning to monitor the digital conversation happening on social media, forums, and blogs. Moving on to a critical pillar of any digital strategy, on-page SEO. While the fundamentals of SEO haven't changed, the way we execute them has been revolutionized by artificial intelligence. Today, we aren't just guessing which keywords to use. Take Surfer SEO, for example. It's a powerhouse for content optimization, providing you with a data-driven roadmap for exactly how many words, headings, and images your article needs to outrank the competition. If you're looking for a more comprehensive suite, SEMrush remains a dominant industry standard. It's an all-in-one platform that blends traditional PPC and SEO data with newer AI-driven insights to give you a 360-degree view of your competitors' strategies. For those focused heavily on the writing process, tools like Phrase.io and ClearScope are game changers. Phrase uses AI to instantly crawl the top-ranking competitor pages to help you build content briefs that answer the specific questions your audience is asking. Similarly, ClearScope simplifies the optimization process by giving your content a grade, ensuring your prose is both relevant to the topic and highly readable for the end user. Finally, for the millions of websites running on WordPress, Rank Math SEO has become an essential plugin. It integrates AI directly into your dashboard, helping you manage complex technical tasks like schema markup and meta tags while providing real-time content scoring as you type. When we talk about growing a business today, visibility in the local community is everything. On this slide, we're looking at the powerhouse tools that define local SEO in the modern era. What's important to note here is the shift toward AI integration. We are no longer just manually submitting names and addresses, we are using intelligent systems to dominate local search results. Let's start with Localo. This is your go-to for precision. It allows you to track keyword performance across very specific regions, ensuring you know exactly how you're performing in one neighborhood versus the next. Then, we have ChatGPT and AI assistants. These have become the Swiss Army knife of digital marketing. They aren't just for writing. They provide all-in-one insights for SEO strategy, PPC optimization, and deep competitor analysis, effectively acting as a digital consultant that never sleeps. Moving into specialized platforms, Bright Local stands out as a comprehensive AI-powered hub. It doesn't just show you numbers, it helps businesses track local rankings and identify low-hanging fruit for growth. For those focused on the technical side, Surfer Local uses AI-driven on-page analysis. It looks at your location-based landing pages and tells you exactly what needs to change to outrank the shop down the street. Finally, we have Moz Local, a veteran in the space that has evolved to use automation and AI signals. Moz ensures your business information is distributed accurately across dozens of directories instantly, protecting your brand's consistency. Using these tools in tandem allows you to build a local presence that is both data-driven and highly competitive. Now, let's shift our focus to one of the most dynamic areas of digital marketing, content creation and copywriting. In a world where content is king, the speed and quality of your output are vital, and the AI tools listed on this slide have completely redefined the creative workflow. We are no longer staring at blank pages. Instead, we are collaborating with intelligent systems to produce high-impact messaging at scale. First up is Jasper AI, which has become a staple for marketing teams needing to produce long-form content like blog posts and ads while maintaining a strict, consistent brand voice. If you need speed for shorter bursts of creativity, Copy.ai is an excellent choice for generating quick ad copy, social media captions, and email marketing text. These tools allow you to move from an idea to a draft in seconds, but it's not just about generating text, it's about refining it. Grammarly has evolved far beyond a simple spell checker. It now uses AI to enhance the overall quality of your copy by adjusting tone, clarity, and the persuasiveness of your writing. Similarly, Writesonic serves as a versatile writing assistant specifically tailored for SEO articles, Google and Facebook ads, and detailed product descriptions. Finally, we have Quillbot, a powerful paraphrasing tool that helps marketers rephrase sentences to improve fluency and ensure content is original and free of plagiarism. By integrating these tools, you can ensure your content is not only produced faster but is also polished, persuasive, and optimized for your target audience. When we talk about scaling a digital marketing strategy, the biggest bottleneck is often manual labor, repetitive tasks like moving data from a lead form to a CRM or posting the same content across 5 different platforms. This is where low-code automation becomes a marketer's superpower. These tools allow you to build complex systems without needing a computer science degree. If you can draw a flowchart, you can build an automation. Let's look at some of the industry leaders shown here. First, we have N8N. This is a powerhouse for those who want a visual, drag-and-drop experience. It's highly customizable and allows you to connect various apps into a seamless workflow. Next is Zapier, which is essentially the glue of the internet. With the ability to connect over 300 AI tools to nearly 8,000 everyday applications, it's likely the first tool you'll use to automate your lead funnels or email notifications. Moving into more specialized territory, we have Zero Work. This is a game changer for web browser automation. It uses AI workflows to interact with websites just like a human would, which is perfect for data scraping or social media engagement. Then there's Airtable automations. Airtable is already a favorite for organizing marketing campaigns, but its built-in automation features allow the database to actually work for you, like automatically sending an email the moment a status changes from draft to approved. Finally, we have UiPath. While the other tools are great for cloud-based apps, UiPath is a leader in robotic process automation, or RPA. It's designed to handle highly repetitive, high-volume tasks by mimicking human actions on a desktop. By integrating these tools into your marketing stack, you aren't just saving time, you're ensuring your business can run 24/7 with minimal errors, allowing you to focus on the creative strategy that actually moves the needle. Now, let's dive into the core of execution, ads and campaign generation. In the past, creating a high-performing ad campaign required a massive team of designers, copywriters, and data analysts. Today, AI tools have democratized this process, allowing us to generate, test, and optimize content in a fraction of the time. First, we have AdCreative.ai. This is a powerhouse for performance marketers because it doesn't just design pretty banners. It uses a massive database of high conversion ads to provide predictive scoring. It essentially tells you how likely an ad is to perform before you even spend $1 on it. If you're focusing on social media, Predictive is a game changer. It bridges the gap between creation and logistics by generating the ad creative and then handling the scheduling across your social platforms automatically. It's perfect for maintaining a consistent brand presence without manual daily uploads. For those of you focused on search and pay-per-click, AdZuma is your primary engine. It provides AI-driven insights for Google, Facebook, and Microsoft ads, highlighting exactly where your budget is being wasted and where you can scale for better ROI. When it comes to high-volume testing, we look at Pencil AI. This tool is built for creative strategists. It generates multiple iterations of an ad and then tests them against each other, identifying the winning formula so you can double down on what works. Finally, for a comprehensive approach, we have simplified AI. As the name suggests, it's an all-in-one ecosystem. Whether you need marketing copy, short-form videos, or full campaign graphics, Simplified keeps everything under one roof, ensuring your brand voice remains consistent across every medium. Moving on to one of the most exciting shifts in modern digital marketing, design and creative content. In the past, creating high-quality visuals required weeks of production and specialized technical skills. Today, AI tools act as creative partners, allowing us to iterate at the speed of thought. Let's look at some of the industry leaders shown here. First, we have Kittle. While many AI tools focus on abstract images, Kittle is a powerhouse for marketing graphics. It combines AI design with advanced typography, making it a favorite for creating merchandise, labels, and social media assets that need a professional, handcrafted feel. Next, we have the heavy hitters, Midjourney and DALL-E. These are the gold standard for unique AI image generation. Whether you're brainstorming a concept for a new ad campaign or building a brand's visual identity from scratch, these tools can generate hyper-realistic or stylized visuals that simply didn't exist 10 minutes ago. For those of you already working within the Creative Cloud, Adobe Firefly is a game changer. It integrates generative AI directly into tools like Photoshop. This allows marketers to create images, text effects, and design elements using simple text prompts, all while ensuring the content is commercially safe to use. If your focus is on gaming, concept art, or high-detail marketing assets, Leonardo AI is your go-to. It offers incredible control over the look and feel of an image, making it ideal for brands that need a very specific, consistent aesthetic across their digital presence. Finally, we have Runway ML. We aren't just limited to static images anymore. Runway is at the forefront of AI video creation. From removing backgrounds instantly to generating video from text or adding complex motion tracking, it allows small marketing teams to produce high-end video effects that used to require a Hollywood budget. First on our list is Runway ML. While many think of it for video, it's also an incredible asset for high-end AI design and advanced typography. It's perfect for creating those polished, high production value marketing graphics that usually require a professional design team. Next, we have Synthesia. This is a game changer for corporate training and personalized outreach. It allows you to create videos using AI avatars that speak multiple languages, meaning you can localize your video content for global markets without ever needing a camera or a studio. Moving on to native tools, VEO3 in Gemini provides a streamlined way to generate high-quality, 8-second AI clips. These are ideal for short-form social media ads, B-roll, or eye-catching backgrounds for your web headers. For those of you working heavily in content marketing and SEO, Pictory is your best friend. It can take a long-form blog post or a script and automatically transform it into a short, captioned video with relevant stock footage and voiceovers, perfect for repurposing content across LinkedIn and Instagram. Finally, we have InVideo AI. This tool functions like a creative partner. You simply provide a text prompt, and it builds a complete video from scratch, handling scenes, stock footage, music, and AI voiceovers in one go. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a large marketing team, these tools allow you to scale your video output exponentially while maintaining a professional edge. Let's dive into how you can integrate these into your next campaign strategy. Now, let's transition into the engine room of any successful digital strategy: analytics, automation, and productivity. In a world where we are drowning in data, these tools are what allow us to work smarter, not harder. We start with Zapier and Make. These are the connectors of the digital world. If you've ever wished your Facebook lead ads would automatically send an email or update a Google Sheet, these are the tools you use. They automate those repetitive, manual tasks so you can focus on high-level strategy. Next, we have Brand24, which is essential for reputation management. It uses AI-driven social listening to crawl the web in real time, telling you exactly who is talking about your brand and, more importantly, what the sentiment is behind those mentions. When we look at search strategy, the big three, SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Moz, are your bread and butter. These platforms have integrated AI insights to help you decode SEO trends, audit your backlinks, and spy on your competitors' keywords with incredible precision. Moving on to your own digital storefront, Google Analytics, GA4, is no longer just a tracking code, it's an AI-powered analytics platform. It predicts user behavior and tracks the entire customer journey across platforms, giving you a 360-degree view of your website performance. Finally, all of this data is useless if you can't explain it to your team or your clients. That's where Google Looker Studio comes in. It acts as your storytelling tool, taking raw, messy data from all these different sources and converting it into clean, interactive dashboards. It turns numbers into visual insights, making it much easier to justify your marketing spend and make better, data-backed decisions. Master these tools, and you'll find yourself spending less time on spreadsheets and more time on growth. Now that we've covered the strategy behind our marketing funnels, let's talk about where the magic actually starts: idea generation. We've all stared at a blank cursor at some point, but with the AI tools available today, writer's block is becoming a thing of the past. First up is ChatGPT, which most of you are likely familiar with. In our workflow, we use it primarily as a high-speed brainstorming partner. It's excellent for generating creative hooks, testing different marketing angles, and fleshing out full-scale campaign concepts in seconds. Once those ideas start flowing, we need a place to put them, and that's where Notion.ai comes in. It's more than just a notebook. It helps you organize, sort, and prioritize your tasks so your best ideas don't get lost in the shuffle. For those of you who are visual thinkers, Miro is a game changer. Using Miro AI, you can instantly turn a single thought into a complex mind map, a diagram, or even a structured table, which is vital for mapping out user journeys. If you are specifically focused on copywriting, Jasper AI is the specialist in the room. It's built specifically for marketers, meaning it's tuned to generate high-converting ad copy, emails, and website content that actually sells. Finally, we have Answer the Public. This is one of my favorite secret weapons for SEO. It's an AI-assisted search insight tool that listens to the internet for you. It shows you exactly what real users are typing into search engines, allowing you to create content that answers their specific questions. By leveraging these 5 tools, you aren't just guessing what your audience wants, you're using data and AI to meet them exactly where they are. Now, let's dive into the essential toolkit for social media management. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, trying to manage multiple platforms manually is nearly impossible. That's where these specialized tools come in to streamline your workflow and maximize your impact. First on our list is Taplio. If your primary focus is B2B networking or establishing yourself as a thought leader, Taplio is your go-to. It is specifically designed to help you build a high-authority personal brand on LinkedIn by leveraging AI to generate content ideas and schedule posts for peak engagement. Moving on to the heavy hitters, we have Hootsuite and Buffer. Hootsuite is often considered the Swiss Army knife of social media. It offers a comprehensive suite for content creation, social listening, and even chatbot functionality to handle customer service. Buffer, on the other hand, is beloved for its simplicity and clean interface. It's a fantastic choice for teams who need to schedule content across almost every major social platform without a steep learning curve. For those looking for deeper insights, we have Sprout Social. This platform goes beyond just posting. It uses sophisticated AI to track real-time conversations, perform sentiment analysis, and provide deep-dive performance metrics. It's perfect for brands that want to make data-driven decisions. Finally, we have Flick AI. Flick is a game-changer for Instagram and TikTok growth, as it uses AI to optimize your hashtags, write your captions, and suggest posting strategies based on what the algorithm is currently favoring. Now, let's dive into one of the most critical phases of any marketing funnel: lead generation. In the modern landscape, we aren't just looking for names and numbers, we are looking for high-quality, actionable data. This is where AI has completely changed the game. moving us from manual spreadsheets to automated powerhouses. First on our list is Clay. Think of Clay as your data enrichment engine. It uses AI to scrape the web and pull in deep insights about your prospects, things like recent company news or specific tech stacks, allowing you to reach out with incredible relevance. Following that, we have Line.ai. If you've ever struggled to write personalized opening lines for cold emails at scale, Line is your solution. It analyzes a prospect's LinkedIn profile or website to generate unique, human-sounding introductions that significantly boost open and reply rates. Moving on to the technical side of sourcing, we have Wiza. This is a must-have for LinkedIn power users. It allows you to export your Sales Navigator searches and, most importantly, it uses AI to extract and verify professional email addresses in real time, ensuring your bounce rates stay low. For those looking for an all-in-one ecosystem, there is HubSpot AI. HubSpot has integrated artificial intelligence across its entire CRM to help businesses attract and capture leads more intelligently. It automates the nurturing process by predicting which leads are most likely to convert and helping you tailor your email marketing automatically. Finally, we have Apollo.io. Apollo is an absolute giant in the B2B space. It's a massive database that uses AI not just to find leads, but to track buyer intent. It tells you when a company is actually in the market for your service, automates your outreach sequences, and provides the sales engagement tools needed to close the deal. Using these tools in combination allows you to work smarter, not harder, and ensures your pipeline is always full of qualified opportunities. Now, let's pivot to one of the most reliable channels in our digital arsenal, email marketing. While email has been around for decades, the integration of AI has completely transformed it from a batch and blast method into a highly sophisticated, personalized experience. If you're focused on outbound strategy, tools like Flowrite and SmartWriter.ai are game changers. Flowrite helps you move past writer's block by generating high-quality cold emails in seconds, while SmartWriter.ai takes it a step further by scanning a prospect's LinkedIn or website to create hyper-personalized icebreakers at scale. This isn't just about sending more emails, it's about making every single one feel like it was handwritten for the recipient. For those of you looking to build a community or a brand voice, we have Behave. It's currently one of the top choices for newsletter growth because of its built-in AI writing assistance and advanced attribution tracking. Then, we move into the heavy hitters of automation, ActiveCampaign and Brevo. These platforms use predictive modeling to determine exactly when a customer is most likely to open an email or make a purchase. They can automatically adjust a customer's journey based on their behavior, optimizing send times and content variations in real time.